Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to upload fonts in Canva. This is going to be very easy. What you need to do, just click on the font which you want to change. So suppose I want to change the summer, so I just have to click on that, and then from you can easily see the font of whatever font you have chosen. So this is font I have currently using, so I will able to see this icon, so I have to click on that, and from then you can able to see many kind of fonts which you want to change. So some of them are paid, some of them are free, so whichever you want to choose you can go for that. And not only this, here you will find categories of fonts, so such as handwriting, corporate, and many kind of categories are there. So suppose we click on handwriting, and here you can see many kind of fonts are here of handwriting, such as if I click on this, so as you can see the font is changed. But let's suppose if you want to upload a particular font, so what you need to do, just go to brand kit option, and here you will find add your brand fonts. In brand kit option, here you need to click, and once you click here you will able to see this kind of window. Here we are going to click on add new font, and then you can easily upload a OTF or TTF file if you have, and after uploading the font you can easily see that font in brand kit option. But make sure this is Canva Pro feature, and if you don't have Canva Pro you can go and purchase it, and then only you can access this feature. So this is how you can upload fonts in Canva, and if this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.